If your island company registration drags past 8 weeks, you're missing bank accounts and contracts, and here's how to cut it to 5 business days. Here's the problem. Most filings sit idle for 4 to 6 weeks because of one missing document. Register your company name on CRO within 2 business days by filing RBN1 online before you submit the full incorporation pack. Use a pre-approved constitution template from the company's registration office to skip the 3-week legal review delay that kills 67% of first-time applications. Island company registration normally takes 20 to 40 business days if you file manually. That timeline costs you. A founder registers an Irish Limited online expecting to open a Revolut business account within a week. CRO takes 6 weeks to issue the certificate of incorporation. Revolut refuses to onboard without it. The founder loses 2 client contracts worth €18,000 because invoicing stalls. This is exactly why we built Bastion Formations, to compress that 6-week gap into 5 business days using fast-track CRO filing and pre-cleared documents. Most people fail here. They submit Form A1 to the company's registration office without a certified director's passport copy. CRO rejects it. You wait another 4 weeks. The fix is simple. Get your passport certified by a notary public or solicitor before you file. Include the certification page in your A1 submission. Bastion Formations bundles this step into the setup so nothing bounces back. Step 2. File your incorporation documents through the core online portal within 24 hours of name reservation. The company's registration office processes electronic A1 forms in 5 to 10 business days versus 20 to 30 days for paper filings. You'll need Form A1, your memorandum and articles of association, and a statutory declaration from each director. Bastion Formations handles the entire core filing for you, cutting the timeline to 5 business days guaranteed. Step 3. Appoint an Irish resident director or use a nominee director service before you submit. This is important. CRO requires at least 1 director with an address in the European Economic Area. If you're outside Europe and skip this, your application sits rejected for weeks. Bastion Formations includes a nominee Irish director in every Island Limited package, so your filing clears CRO compliance checks on the first pass. You get your incorporation certificate in 5 days, not 8 weeks. Here's the problem. Path A is DIY. You file Form A1 yourself, wait 6 weeks for CRO to respond, discover a missing notary stamp, refile, wait another 4 weeks. Total time, 10 weeks, 0 revenue. Path B is Bastion Formations. We file the A1 with pre-certified documents through Core. Your certificate arrives in 5 business days, and you're invoicing clients by week 2. Advanced move. When you submit your A1 form, include this exact statement in the statutory declaration section. I confirm that the company's registered office will be situated in Ireland and that all statutory registers will be maintained at that address in accordance with Section 216 of the Companies Act 2014. That sentence satisfies CRO's registered office compliance requirement and prevents the 2-week delay most foreign founders hit when the examiner flags unclear domicile intent. Or skip all this and let Bastion Formations handle the A1, the statutory declaration, and the registered office setup for you in one package. I confirm that the company's registered office will be situated in Ireland, and that all statutory registers will be maintained at that address in accordance with Section 216 of the Companies Act 2014. Reserve your name on CRO within 2 days using RBN1 online. File A1 electronically through Core with certified director documents. Use Bastion Formations to compress 8 weeks into 5 business days. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com for help setting up your Island Limited in 5 days. Visit https://bastionformations.com.